New China theme pack for Xiaomi global devices. Liquid glass effect. Beautiful default wallpapers. Spatial effect wallpapers. Custom text widget. Clock custom. Under widgets. Beauty icon pack. Transparent control center. System MIUI. Theme name in China store. Backup for global in description. Custom lock screen wallpaper. Import image. Import removed background image. Text on bottom bar and text widget. Next theme in this pack. Depth effect. 3D wallpaper effect. Theme default wallpapers. HyperOS 3 support control center. Icon pack. Settings MIUI. Theme name in China store. Backup for global in description. Change lock screen wallpapers. Select this option. Import image. Import removed background image. Custom text on bottom bar. Next theme in this pack. Custom lock screen widgets. Widgets color. Text widget. Home screen, big widget. Control center. Icon pack. Settings MIUI. Theme name in China store. Backup for global in description. Next theme in this pack. Clock custom. Widgets, custom. Beautiful icon pack. Theme name in China store. Backup for global in description. Custom lock screen text widgets. All themes include one backup file in description. Get and install on your global devices. Watch tutorial video if you don't know how to do it. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.